got a first adventure for Faith and her kids. If I can tell them apart. There's Coco. Amani. Vera. Right there. And there's little Christian deer with his red ribbon. See if we can get some action here. They're just following me. Here. Coco's checking out the toy. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. And there went Armani. Yeah, you guys are just following Mom around the edge, huh? You want to say hi to Ben? Say hi to Ben. Ben wants to say hi. That's a good puppy. Say hi to Ben. Good puppies. Yay, Armani. Be nice, Ben. Be nice to the baby. Good puppies. Good puppies. Here we go. Playtime. Stay in the pen, Faith. You guys are just following me around the pen. I can't get you playing if you're just following me. Silly puppies. Silly puppies. Yay! Good puppies.